Your I can statement for today is I can estimate to find the sum or difference of two fractions. So your sample problem for today is Mr. Fish is putting together two copper pipes to repair a leak in his house. He will use the pipes that are shown. Is the new pipe that he puts together closer to half a foot long or 1 foot long? Explain. So the first question I want to ask myself is what operation am I going to be doing? And if I use my cubing strategy by circling key numbers, underlining the question, boxing keywords, eliminating anything I don't care about, and then solving, I can see that my keywords putting together tell me that I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be adding two fractions together, and the two fractions that I have are 5 and 12 foot long and 1/6 foot long. So this is the 5 and 12 foot long, and this is 1 and 6. So essentially what you would be doing is 5 over 12 plus 1 over 6. Now you can't actually do this quite yet because we don't know how to add fractions yet with unlike denominators. We eventually will get there, but we don't even have to worry about getting the exact answer today because we're estimating, right? We're estimating if this will be closer to half a foot long or 1 foot long. So you can do it in one of two ways. The first way you can do it is plot these fractions on a number line. So for example, from 0 to 1, if I broke that up into 6 parts and said, okay, here's maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I broke that up into 6 parts, I know that 1/6 would go right here. This is where I would plot 1/6 because it's 1 out of 6 parts. 1/6. Okay? But if I broke it up into 12 parts, I'll use a different color. Let's see if I can sneak these in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know that 5/12 is going to be right here because it's closer to 1/2. If I had 6/12, if this were 6/12, it would be 1/2 exactly, right? Because I know that it goes 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12 would be right here. So it's closer to 1/2. So I can look at this number line and say, okay, well 1/6 is much closer to 0 than it is to 1/2. So maybe this turns into a 0. And 5/12 is very, very close to 1/2. We can see that on the number line. So that means that I have to add 1/2 to it. Well, 0 plus 1/2 is just going to be 1/2. So your answer would be that the new pipe he puts together is closer to a 1/2 foot long than a foot long because 1/6 is going to be closer to 0 and 5/12 is going to be closer to 1/2, and 0 plus 1/2 equals 1/2.